Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I did this week. So I'm using tips on my nails. As you can see, my nails are very long. They are my natural nails now. So I haven't filed off my previous design because it takes a lot of effort and I'm feeling pretty lazy today. So I just applied some tips over the design there, and I'm just applying some primer. And this is the acrylic powder that I used. It's Skylight. It's from Miss You Beauty and it's been designed by Helen Zeng. It's blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going over my previous design here with the acrylic powder. I'm also using my number 8 brush from Miss You Beauty and my liquid from Miss You Beauty as well. So I just apply this acrylic powder to all of my nails because I really like it. It's beautiful. So I didn't encapsulate these nails with clear acrylic liquid and powder because I wanted to see how the acrylic would hold up without that, see if it was strong enough. So I just finish all of these nails with this powder and then I go in and file them around the cuticle area to make sure that they are lovely and smooth. So after filing and buffing my nails, I then go in with my Miss You Beauty diamond glitter, and it's called Sapphire. Here it is. There's little bits of silver in there and blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. So with my gel brush, I just apply this glitter to the cuticle area of my nail, and then I sort of just brush it down the nail, fading it out a little bit so it's a little bit ombre, as I really like that look. As you can tell, I do a lot of my designs like that. So yeah, you'll have to excuse me as well. I've got a little bit of a sore throat, so I am a little bit croaky today. I do apologise for that. So then with my middle finger, or my middle nail, I apply the diamond glitter to the entire nail, as I'm going for the blue theme, as you can probably tell. So with my little finger, I did exactly the same sort of thing as I did on my thumb, just faded it down from the cuticle area to create that ombre look. So then on my forefinger, I just applied some top coat around the cuticle area, just to that area, and then I sprinkled some of my white iridescent glitter on it, and then I cured it in my LED lamp. So that was just to get like an ombre effect again, but with the white glitter that I have. And then on my ring finger, I applied some non-wipe UV gel top coat, and I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with my chrome powder that I have from Miss You Beauty, and I just did it around the cuticle area again. I was going for the faded look, so I just kept it to the top there. And then I went in with some non-wipe UV gel top coat again and cured them in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I really hope that you enjoyed this really quick video this week, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the items that I used in this video will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and also don't forget about my discount code that I do have for Miss You Beauty. It is Beautified 10, but again I will put that in the description box below. So I hope you all had a lovely time last night, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.